Welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and in this video lecture we'll go ahead and create a simple function that will help us to search for binary numbers. And let's go ahead and start off immediately. It's going to be random number, so from random go ahead and import Radient, and then go ahead and create a simple function called div, and go ahead and call that to be num underscore search. Now we go ahead and pass in two parameters right in there, and the first one, let's go ahead and call that first, and last. Now let's go ahead and create the middle, so I'm going to call that mid is equal to length of the first, all right, by 2, and then you go ahead and say mini is equal to 0, and let maxi be equal to length of the first minus 1. So using a while loop, so y first with a mid element is not equal to y that is not equal to last. Okay, and then mini is less than or equal to maxi. Okay, so go ahead and use an if statement and say if last is greater than first with the value of mid plus 1. Alright, so go back and let's see. Then it's going to be mini is going to be equal to mid plus 1. Nice, mid plus 1. So go ahead and remove this from here. Alright, else we go ahead and say that maxi, we say that maxi is equal to mid minus 1. All right, and then mid is equal to mini plus maxi, divide that by 2. So if mini is greater than maxi, so if mini is greater than maxi, then we'll go ahead and return none. So go ahead and return none. Else you go ahead and return mid. Go ahead and return mid. Now what we need to do is, let's say x is equal to empty array of element, and then using the for loop we go ahead and say for I in range of let's say 15, that'll be the maximum it can be able to print, then x dot append, and go ahead and append Radient of parameters 1 by 20. Okay, now x dot sort, we have to sort that, we can be able to get the value, and then go ahead and print out, go ahead and print out X. Alright, now the next thing we need to do is we have to accept a value from a user. Let's go ahead and say, num is equal to int. I'm passing the value of input, and go ahead and tell the user insert any number to search the list. Insert any number to search the list, and then the number is going to be print num underscore search, call the function. I'm passing the value of X and num right in there. Now let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. Believing everything being equal, it has generated this for us. Now I want to search for the value, let's say 14, and hit enter. So 14 is in the position of 11. Check it out. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So that is first place 14 occurred. Let's go ahead and run the code again. Let's say we want to search for 2, and 2 can be seen at the position 3. See, 0 1 2 3. Can you see that? Now go ahead and search for a number that does not exist. Let's say go ahead and search for 20 and none. Can you see that? It does not exist. Alright, so in that way you can be able to search for any number within the list using this function, and the entire code is just fairly before you. Go ahead and pull it down in your own system and play around with it. And in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.